All Russ here, RV TV. Welcome. Check it out. We're in beautiful Quartzsite, Arizona. January 2022. Waiting for all the big shows to start. Town's getting busy. Anyway, we're going to go check out a solar place that has historic buildings on it. Look, you can see my reflection in the back of the truck. There's the buggy. That's too cool. Like a big mirror, isn't it? Alright, we're going to make a right here on Main Street. And of course it's blue sky, crystal clear, nice and warm for January. The temperature's been averaging about 10 degrees above normal, and I will take it all day long. Yeah, the solar business is called Solar Bills. It's on the other end of Main Street. I met the brand new owner. His name is Gus, and he's really fixed the place up. They're offering pretty good deals, so we're gonna go check him out. Plus, on that property are two historic buildings, very historic to Quartzsite. Everything's historic here, huh? All right. Look at the parking lots of the stores. They're starting to fill up. These grocery stores have just been jammed morning, noon, and night. More and more people hitting the town. Deserts are really filling up. Matter of fact, we're going to take a ride out in the desert here in probably another day. Fuel prices, they're so-so. They're still, for diesel, just below $4 a gallon. There's the other market on the right. Laundromat there on the left. They got a little restaurant in that laundromat. It's pretty good food. They're open for breakfast and lunch. Check them out. Alright, here is the main intersection. Central Avenue and Main. Highway 95. To the right takes you up Parker. To the left down to Yuma. Kind of weird that big RV dealer didn't set up this year. Actually, that property's up for sale. Only $3 million bucks. Looks like 3 of the corners here are up for sale. When they're on the left, I think that's like $1.5 million bucks. Okay, on the right, look at all the vendors setting up at the High Jolly flea market. High Ollie, I think it is, not Jolly. High Ollie flea market. We're crossing over Tyson Wash. Really good. There's a good picture of the mountains way off distance. Holiday Palms, Tyson Mobile Home Park. Good old Hassler's up here. And of course, 88 Shades. Okay, here we are. Right past this old building. See that big motorhome on the right? This is called Solar Bills under new ownership. Pull in here. There it is, Solar Bills, RV Solar. Been here a long time. It's 630 West Main Street. Alright, get parked. I'll show you the old buildings. Well, he's a full service solar store. Look, he can even fit a big rig. Look at that big motorhome. We'll check out the inside. He's got all the batteries. Looks like new signage. Open seasonal, 9 a.m. There's their phone number. And it's solarbuild.com. Now, see right behind here, this old grayed out building. Back in the old time days, this was the original courthouse. That was a courthouse. It's been a lot of things. There's pictures of it down at the museum too. Look like, see how it's like half buried? Back in the early 2000s, they redid Main Street. They actually elevated Main Street, so they kind of buried the building under some dirt. But these are historic landmarks. Look, you can see part of the original structure right there. That was a courthouse of Quartzsite. Then out back, there's a really cool one. We'll see that in just a minute. Let's peek inside a store. Look at that. That big rig fits right in there. A lot of people have come here through the years. There's Solar Bill with a mask. Wow, look at all the batteries. He's got everything. 6 volt, 12 volt, 24 volt. Huge selection. Got all the battery boxes. Even carries Battleborn in there. Interstate. All kinds of stuff. Big selection of panels over here. Blue Sky Energy. Wow, I didn't know he had this many. There's a portable one. About every shape and size you can think of. Pretty good prices on them too. Plus they install. That's a big deal there. There's all the goodies, inverters, carries big ones, little ones, solar controllers. You know, solar's a way to do it anymore. There's the real good ones.
What's his name?
And all the wiring and everything you need to. So if you're a do-it-yourselfer, you can come get the parts, have them hook it up. But now I want to show you what's out back. This is probably one of the coolest things in Quartzsite. There you go. There's a sign. Thank you, shopping at solarbuild.com. Let's go out back. There is another historic building that if you want a good selfie, this is the one to get. Check it out. This is real. This is very real. This is the original Quartzsite jail. I think the door of it came out of the Yuma prison. I mean, this thing has history, probably haunted. That's the original jail cell for Quartzsite. And you can get selfies here. There you go. So you got the courthouse and the jailhouse right here at Solar Bills, 630 West Main Street in Quartzsite. Well, unfortunately, Gus, the new owner, isn't here today, but he will be here and we will come meet him. But definitely that old jail plus the old courthouse. See, this is the actual downtown area, the original downtown of Quartzsite. And this flooded. If you go to the museum in Quartzsite, there's pictures of Quartzsite, this area here, being under feet of water from big monsoons and stuff. That's why they elevated the Main Street when they rebuilt it, the whole thing. Main Street used to be only 2 lanes. But you can definitely come down here and still experience the real old time Quartzsite. I really want to thank Gus for allowing me to come down here and film the buildings too. Super nice guy. All the employees here are friendly. Be sure to get down here and check them out if you need anything solar. Solarbill.com. Still can't believe how warm it's been in January here. We had such a cold, rainy December, and what a turnaround in weather. Got to check out the desert. Alright, get back on Main. Let's cruise over. I think I got to go over to Tyson Wells here. They're still putting a big tent together. Big shows start January 21st at Celerama at Tyson Wells over on Kewen. And then the big Quartzsite RV show January 22nd coming up. Just a few days away. There's another little building there. But you can see here, look how Main Street's elevated since they made it 4-lane. And the properties are lower on both sides. There's another on the right. That's a auto museum. I don't know if it's open. But those are all original old buildings. So there's tons of history to find around Quartzsite. There's always something to do around here. Pretty cool. Alright, well, I'm going to head out towards the desert. Also, I just filmed the High Jolly Parade. That'll be coming up soon. Journey continues. Talk soon.